Hey, I'd like to share some of the features that I really like about this stick vacuum that I got here from Beauty Bulu. First, it has this nice aluminum handle. And by the way, this only weighs in about 3.5 pounds. So really, really light here. You can see just holding it with one finger. That is awesome. You can extend the handle here so that it's kind of shorter, or you can extend it all the way out. It has a lot of different places. You can see the little notches right there of all the different levels that you can set it at. Matter of fact, you can even just put on a small attachment like this. Also comes with the little brush here, and you just have a little handheld vacuum. It's very convenient. Like I was showing you, it does come with a variety of attachments here. You have this one that has the swivel head here. You have this nozzle tip here, the brush here. It comes with these HEPA filters. Get a few of those. Even comes with this piece here that you can mount to the wall and put your different attachments. The charging for it is easy. It comes with its own charger. You just simply plug that into the wall, plug this into the back here, and it charges. You can easily remove the battery itself so that you can put away the vacuum and just charge the battery when it's done charging. That way you don't have to leave the whole entire vacuum sitting out. Let's see this thing in action. Right back here I have some debris that fell on the ground from this plant. I'm going to show you how this works. Easily just picking it all right up. Quick and easy. So you've seen it in action. This thing picks up the small debris very quickly and easily. It's not very loud. I like that. Actually, when you press it and turn it on, not super loud. You actually kind of feel like it's not actually that powerful, but it is, and it works great. So if you're looking for a stick vacuum, this one works very well.